So configure the privacy data removal and the donation amount changes flow. So create a auto launch flow to streamline the data updates for donor request and configure a flow to calculate the percentage change in the donation amount. Right. So now this one completed. Right. This part. So create a record triggered flow name. So privacy data removal. That is the trigger to run when name account is deleted. Okay. Okay. So now come here. Create a new flow. Click on here. New flow. Scratch. Next. Record triggered flow. Create. Right. On which object? On which object? It's on account object. Select the account object. Right. So when you want to execute, when the record was deleted. When the record was deleted, I want to execute this. That's it, right? Then close this. Next one is what? I want to delete the record. I want to delete the record. See, I want to delete the record. See, the flow should delete any record related to the account that is set to be deleted. Right? Select the specify condition in the delete records. Got to find now. Now come here. Just add the element. Which element you have to add? That is delete delete records. Delete records. Got it. So what was the name? Delete contact record. Delete contact record. Delete contact record. Got it. So we need to specify the condition. On which object? That's on contact object. Contact object. Right. So what's my condition? Right. The contact should be related to the account. Right. So now come here. Account ID. Account ID equals to, right? Account ID equals to the record, whatever the record, right? The account record. Under the account record, we have a account ID. Got it? Whatever the record, so we have a relationship, right? That record. Next. So next what we have to do, so we need to collect that records. Then we have to use the get records element. Go here, select the get records, right? So based on the name, account name, that is a anonymous bucket. What's that? Anonymous bucket. Now what is this? Get account. Get account. On which object? That's on account object. Select the account object. Now what's the condition? Name equals to account name equals to what's that? Anonymous bucket. Copy, paste it. Anonymous bucket. Right. So only the first record. Right. So now what I'm doing here, so just I'm choosing the fields. Got it. So I want ID and I want the account name. I want ID and I want account name. Choose the fields and let Salesforce to do the rest. Got it. So not automatic or all the fields, right? I want to set only the ID and name. Got it. And then after what we have to do, so we need to update those records. We need to update those records. The flow should be active. Okay. See. Right. When the donation amount changes, right, I need to update the opportunity. Got it. Now you can come here. Now, so what we have to do? So we need to use update records. Got it. Update opportunity. Update opportunity. Got it. So we need to specify the conditions. We need to specify the conditions on opportunity object. We need to specify the conditions on opportunity object. Got it. So now, right, it should be related to the account ID. Got it. So what was the records you need to filter? Account ID equals to account ID equals to right, whatever the record in this record account ID, this record account ID. Next, I want to set the field values. I want to set the field values. Account ID equals to right. So we already collected the records now. Right. So get accounts. Where is that get accounts? See here, account from the get account. Right. So here we have a account ID. Got it? So we are filtering the values. Right. So once we filter the values, then we are setting that value. Means automatically we are updating right. So this donation amount. Automatically we are updating those donation amount. Clear point? Right. The next. So next what we have to do? So we need to save this. Right. So what's that? The privacy data removal. Now you can come here, click on the save privacy data removal, click on the save button. Click on the save button, then we'll see. Click on here activate. We got an issue. Click on activate. So now you can go here flows. Right. So they already given one flow. What's that flow? Right. Donation amount changes. Donation amount changes. Go here. Here you can find out donation amount changes. See here, donation amount changes. Right. So now you can come here, click on here, edit, or just click on this name. Right. So first what I'm doing, right, we are creating a resource. Got it. So we need to find out this discount now, this part. Right. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm creating a form. So this is the formula for this finding the percentage. Click on the check syntax. Right. Done. It's valid. Got it. So then click on here. Done. So we created a formula for the percentage. Right. So next here we have a decision element is there na? Right. So now we need to change this decision. Got it. So based on the percentage. Based on the percentage. Okay. Now come here. Right. Click on this. Click on here edit element. See, not a placeholder. Right. So what's that? Change change percentage equals to how much? 30. Change percentage equals to 30. Got it. So done. Next, that's it. Got it. Click on here, save as a new version, save as a new version. Then you need to activate it. Click on here, activate. Done. So now you can come here, the trailhead, the last one, better. So check the challenge. So finally we completed a record triggered flow Superbadge unit.